am back! Ayan, so I am excited today because I would like to share theories that I know. I'm sure that you will appreciate this topic that I'm about to share. So I will be talking about circle of fifths. Baka nakita niyo na yung diagram na to. Ayan, para siyang color wheel at maraming mga chords na nandyan is actually called circle of fifth. Circle of fifth is one of the most important concepts that you can learn, that you can memorize para matulungan kayo sa pagtugtog. It would help you sa notation, it would help you know the chord progressions, it would help you know the key signatures, even during modulation and transposition. Sobrang malaking bagay itong konsepto ng circle of fifth para mas maging madali para sa atin yung pagtugtog. So, what is circle of fifths? According to Merriam-Webster, definition of circle of fifths: keys or tonalities ordered by ascending for sharp keys or descending for flat keys intervals of a fifth. So basically, ang circle of fifths, it's a visual musical tool that would help us understand yung relationship between the 12 tones of the chromatic scales. Chromatic scale, pag pinag-usapan natin yung chromatic scale, it is the very foundation in which Western music is built. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Yun yung 12 chromatic tones, no? B kasi babalik na yun ng C, kaya 12 sila. Going circle of fifth, going clockwise, as you see sa diagram, it means that a tone or a note is a fifth above the previous one. For example, in this case, C to G. Magbibilang tayo. C, D, E, F, G. So, next to C is G. After that, G. G, A, B, C, D. And so on and so forth. So, as per diagram, as you see, merong outer section. Yun yung mga actual key signatures. And makikita niyo yung capital letters or yung big letters, yun yung major key signatures. And yung mga lowercase letters, these are the minor key signatures. Another topic ulit yan, yung major and minor keys. So I would like to go through the keys, the circle of fifths muna in general. And then maybe we can discuss deeper about it sa mga susunod na mga video. So let's try, no? Isa-isahin natin, i-decipher natin isa-isa kung ano yung mga key signatures. Of course, unang-una, what is key signature or what is the key? In music, no, we define a key as the center or the tonal center of a piece of a music. Pag sinasabi natin sa banda, di ba, or sa pagtutugtog tayo, tatanungin mo siya, uy, anong key yan? Key of C major. Anong key to? Key of A minor. Key of F minor. So, yun yung key signature. When someone asks you what the key signature of a song is, it could be C, G, D, A, as kung ano nakikita mo dyan sa circle of fifths diagram. Okay, so let's go into details. So, let's start with C. Ito yung pinaka-basic natin. Key of C, kapag key of C, walang sharp, walang flat. Okay, wala kang ginagamit na any accidentals. Pero may mga cases na gano'n na bigla siyang gagamit ng mga accidentals. Pero ibang usapan naman yon. So, doon muna tayo sa pinaka-basic. Key of C, walang sharp, walang flat. Bilang ka ng 5, C, D, E, F, G. So, next to C is G. Si G, if you would see, the key signature is G, pero meron na siyang sharp. So, mag-start yung sharp kay G. And then, G, bilang ka ulit, G, A, B, C, D. If mapapansin mo, sa key signature ni D, meron ng dalawang sharp. Alright? After D, key of D major is A, D, E, F, G, A major. Sa key of A major, may tatlong sharps na. Paano mo ma-identify yung mga sharps ng isang key signature? For example, sa key of G, ang easiest way for me to identify is identify ko yung note before the key signature. As in this case, for example, si G. Nasa key of G ang kanta. The note that comes before G is F. So, yung F, sharp yon. Si G, meron siyang 1 sharp. And yung naka-sharp na note is F. Kasi the note before G is F. Let's try to identify the next one. After G is what? D major, right? G, A, B, C, D. D major. D major has 2 sharps. Ano na yung 2 sharps niya? Bring down F sharp. Okay? Bring down F sharp. Kasi sequence to eh. Bring down F sharp and then what is, automatic yon, bring down F sharp. What is the note before D? Note before D is A, B, C, D. So C is sharp. If you see two sharps dun sa isang notation, ibig sabihin that is F sharp and C sharp. Kung hindi ka na nagbabasa ng nota pa, hindi ka pa nagbabasa ng nota, pero pag nakita mo yung staff at meron may mga two sharps na nandun o yung sinasabi nilang hashtag, ang sharps na yon are F and C. Okay, let's try the A now. Diba, after D major would be A major. Bilang D, E, F, G, A. Next to D major is A major. Sequential siya, after D would be A. So, kung yung G ay may 1 sharp, yung D ay may 2 sharps, A has 3 sharps. Ano yung 3 sharps? Bring down F, F sharp yung isa. Bring down C, C sharp yung isa. And yung third, how would you identify the third sharp? What is the note before A? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? G, kasi after G is A again. G sharp. So, A major scale or A major scale, it has 3 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Good. D major, no sharp, no flats. G major, 1 sharp. D major has 2 sharps. A major has 3 sharps. And now, what's next to A major? According to circle of fifths, A, B, C, D. That's right. E major. So, E major has 4 sharps. As you can see sa staff, as you can see, meron siyang 4 sharps. What are the sharps? Bring down F, bring down C, bring down G, and what is the note before E? A, B, C, D. D, E. So, isa-sharp mo rin si D para yun. So, na-identify mo na yung 4 na sharps ni E. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. So, E. Next to E would be B. B has 5 sharps. Dadagdag mo lang yung A sharp. And then next is F sharp. No, B, C, D, E, F. O baka tanungin mo, bakit hindi po F? Bakit F sharp siya? Remember, dun sa unang-una pa lang, according sa sequence natin, sa key of G, F is sharp. So this time, yung sunod na key, B, F sharp na siya. Hindi na siya key of F. So F sharp, bilang tayo, same. Ilang sharps yon? Kung si B has 5 sharps, si F sharp, meron siyang 6 sharps. So, next to F sharp naman, according to the diagram, is C sharp. F, G, A, B, C. C sharp siya, hindi siya C major katulad ng unang-una. Kasi nga, di ba, naka-sharp na po according sa sequence, according sa circle of fifths, naka-sharp na rin yung C. Kaya ang next na key signature to F sharp is C sharp. Okay, so now let's talk about the flats. Meron tayong key signatures na may mga sharps, and meron naman tayong mga key signatures na mayroong flats, like key of F, key of B flat, key of E flat, key of A flat, key of D flat. Paano naman yon? Ako, mas para sa akin, mas madali ko siyang naiintindihan at mas madali ko siyang na-share of fourths. I'm not even sure actually if there's such thing. Kasi hindi siya common talaga. Pero, madali ding maintindihan dun sa ganong konsepto. Instead of continuing doing the circle of fifths, doing the fifths dun sa mga sumunod na for example, kasi like F sharp na tayo, nag-C sharp na tayo. Diba, ang next to C sharp is C, D, E, F, G. Are you gonna be using G sharp? Hindi na natin kasi ginagamit yung key of G sharp kasi meron siyang enharmonic equivalent which is the A flat. So, para hindi siya masyadong confusing, ang ginagawa ko, I'm gonna go back to key of C sa pinakataas ng diagram and then I will be counting counterclockwise this time. A while ago, we were counting clockwise, fifth interval of each, pero this time, counterclockwise tayo, pero fourth. Okay, let's start. We will be discussing the flats. First of all, C, no sharp, no flat. Counterclockwise, bilang tayo ng 4. C, D, E, F. Next to C is F major. F major has 1 flat, and it is the B flat. So, paano ko ginagawa yun? Bilang lang ako, F, G, A, B. Kasi flat ko siya. Alright? So, if you would remember, a while ago sa sharps, yung note before the key signature, for example, kung G, ang naka-sharp doon is the note before it is F sharp. Pero this time, dito sa flats, I would count 4, 4. For example, from C to F, C, D, E, F, key of F, And the flat would be, bilang ko ng 4. F, G, A, B. Ipa-flat ko yon. So, pag nakita ninyo yung isang staff na merong isang flat, that is B flat. And it's in the key of F. Alright, let's make another example. After F, bilang ulit ng 4. F, G, A, B. Is this the B major? It is B flat major. Okay? Remember, we're talking about flats. And napag-usapan na natin kanina yung B major. B major has 5 sharps. This time, B flat. Kasi naka-flat na siya unang-una pa lang sa key of F. Tama ba? F has B flat. So, we are doing that sequence now. So, after F would be B flat. And ano ang flats ng B flat? You would see 2 flats sa key signature na B flat. So, first, bring down B flat, bring down. And then, next to F, B lang ulit ay B flat, and then B lang ng 4. B, C, D, E. Alright? From key signature, B, C, D, E. So, B flat has 2 flats. B flat and E flat. You will be playing the B flat scale on the piano. You will be playing B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and then go back to B flat. Alright, I hope you're still with me. So let's proceed. After B flat will be E flat. So E flat has 3 flats. B flat, next that E flat, and then from E flat, count ulit na 4. E, F, G, A, A flat. So that means key of E flat will have 3 flats. B flat, E flat, and A flat. A flat has 4 flats, D flat has 5, G flat has 6, and then the C flat has 7. Madalang lang, no? Ako, hindi talaga ako tumutugtog ng mga ganito na grabe na flats kasi nakakalito. I'll do my best to avoid them. Pero at least you know the idea, na intindihan ninyo kung paano siya na-formulate o paano yung sequence niya. Actually, pattern lang sila lahat. You can memorize this, or kahit na hindi nyo siya ma-memorize, okay lang. Basta alam niyo yung sequence, alam niyo yung pattern, it would be really easy. It would take time, of course, for you to memorize everything. I enjoy it every time I'm gonna write them down one by one. Tapos, alam mo, para ka nag-math na bring down F sharp, bring down C sharp, and all. Pero, ang dali-dali lang ng sequence. And so, yun. That's why I appreciate it so much. And I hope na nakatulong to sa inyo para din mas ma-appreciate ninyo yung circle of fifths. And naintindihan nyo rin somehow yung theory behind it. And paano niya siya magagamit, ma-apply whenever you're playing, whenever you're trying to transpose. Diba? For example, masyado mataas yung key na kinakanta ng worship leader. If is in the key of A, maybe she would ask you na, oh, pwede ba natin ibaba, i-transpose natin into, instead of key of A, gawin na lang natin na key of F. So, you would check your circle of fifth and you would see na from the key of A, you have 3 sharps, and then now, going down to key of F, you know na yung magiging chords na ipa-play mo, o yung mga nota na ipa-play mo, would have 1 flat, which is the B flat. So at least, meron kang idea kung paano yun nangyayari. At mas madali for you to adjust if there should be, adjustments that has to be made. And ayun, sana na-appreciate nyo tong video na to and sana nakatulong sa inyo. Please let me know if you want to discuss other stuff like this. I will do my best to explain, to share with you kung ano yung alam ko, yung mga basic theory na alam ko. And have a good day. God bless you.